So these issues to say Chiwenga is planning against Mnangagwa or Mnangagwa is planning against Chiwenga, that is nonsense. We can't have the same scenario where you had a G40 which purported to be a special class close to the president, trying to get rid of everyone else when they wanted to weaken the president and then attack him. We can't have the same scenario today. So we are not going to allow any efforts or any machinations to separate the two men. If they have their issues, they regard each other as brothers. Let them find their own time to solve the issues. And we are not part of that. I saw last time Vice President Chiwenga was in Kwekwe, touring the maize fields, the president. And someone comes to me and says, no, avasikuwirirana vari kurwa. So, kana vari kurwa, enda ikoko munowitinesa kurwa kwavo. Isusu pano patida kurwa necorruption.